On the Health Watch, a new and different link between red meat and heart disease.
Health reporter Stephanie Stoll is here now with this new study.
Interesting new stuff on this, guys. You know, when doctors talk about beef, they're usually concerned about fat and cholesterol. Well, new research says there's an additional issue with a compound that can also cause heart attacks and strokes.
The new link to red meat and heart disease comes from a compound that is made by gut microbes during digestion. That compound is called TMAO.
Individuals who eat a diet that's rich in red meat have a significant elevation in their TMAO level, about 2 to 3-fold above those who eat either a white meat for their protein source versus a non-meat, which is predominantly a vegetable source or a plant-based protein source.
Dr. Hazen, who led the research, says study participants ate 3 specific protein diets in random order for a month each. They suspected the red meat diet could raise TMAO levels. Dr. Hazen says his team was surprised to see by just how much. Not only did people on the red meat diet have higher levels of TMAO, their kidneys were less efficient at eliminating the dangerous compound. But it's reversible. The study said when people stopped eating red meat, their TMAO levels came back down to normal within 3 to 4 weeks.
We can use a TMAO level to help personalize dietary choices in an individual to help identify for a given person how much is too much and how to try to chase after lowering the level, much in the same way we do with cholesterol levels or triglyceride levels or glucose levels now by selections and choices in our diet.
Researchers also found that those who ate a white meat or plant-based protein diet actually had suppressed formation of TMAO. So the hamburger you might have been planning on, maybe switch to a turkey burger or veggie burger.
Yeah, okay.
Something
good
like
stuff.
that.
I'll try.
Just saying.
I know. I got you. Thanks, Stephanie. Yeah, good stuff. Well,